Here's how to download and install the VARTA Lithium-Ion Battery Check app to monitor your battery's health. You can do this in two ways. Scan the QR code on your battery to visit the VARTA website, or go directly to the link below. Then, download the app from your preferred app store. Once installed, connect your battery to the app. First, press the power button on top of the battery to turn it on. Next, tap the Bluetooth icon in the app. Then choose your battery from the list to connect. After connecting, the app will quickly measure your battery's vital status, including voltage, capacity, and your battery's status. By sliding to the right, you can find your battery's current temperature and cycle life. If you keep swiping to the right, you will find a history of any recorded events. To see any alarms or alerts, tap the exclamation point icon. A green bar means everything is running smoothly. A red bar indicates a potential issue that may require your attention. To access more options, tap the menu icon in the top right corner to open the navigation menu. In the Devices page, you can see an overview of the different batteries you've paired with your app. By clicking on the button next to the battery, you can toggle between the different batteries to see their status. In the Bluetooth setting page, you can disconnect from the battery you're currently connected to, or rename the battery for easier navigation in the future. In the notification page, you can configure the type of notifications that the app can send to your phone regarding your battery's status. In the About page, you will see an overview of the app version and a link to the VARTA Automotive website. In the Contact page, you will find all the contact details for VARTA by Clarios. By clicking on Manual from the navigation menu, you can access the instructions for your VARTA lithium-ion battery in your preferred language. This manual covers everything you need to know, including important safety instructions, Bluetooth features, troubleshooting tips, proper maintenance, storage, and more. Finally, tap the Language button to switch the app's language, available in 10 different languages.